am Jennifer at Jennifer at Home, and I'm so happy you're here for this Styling with Wood Accents collaboration. This collaboration is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, At Home with Lisa, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, Creating with Miss K, and me, Jennifer at Home. Be sure to check out all of these channels and any other participating channels listed below, and be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And I just got out my favorite cutting board that was a gift from my husband. He got this for me for Christmas. I love using this wonderful wooden cutting board, and I always love making a special lunchtime snack for my husband and I when he's home from work. Join me as I add beautiful wood accents to my home. I am so happy you're here. I had such a wonderful time participating in this collaboration, and a special thank you to Anna from the Grace Life DIY for organizing these wonderful collaborations. Be sure to check out all of the participating channels, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.